Laura, you better on that.
Donations to her charity, It's American. Now,
Laura!
it's £200,000. The 30-year-old hairdresser collapsed in Birdcage Walk near St James's Park on the crying stretcher.
Laura, you better on that.
A London borough says it's finding it so difficult to secure affordable
Okay,
housing
you're
for residents. It's been forced to ask for a housing association, which is 150 miles away. In the letter seen News, Newham Council says
Laura, you
it's
better.
to consider sending people to live in Stoke
Laura!
because of the soaring cost of local
Oh, yeah, you better remember that.
introduced by the
British man jailed for plotting to blow up an airliner in 2001. He told the court in America about his meeting with Osama bin Laden after the September the 11th attack.
What you got there, Laura?
Videotape testimony during the trial of
Laura, you better.
bomb in the New York City subway. Last week, it emerged that Bennett was released from prison in the UK 2 years ago.
What you want to do?
There's been a huge rise in the number of pet owners convicted of animal cruelty. More than 1,000 people were banned from owning pets last year under the Animal Welfare Act, and that's up by a fifth. The animal charity says it's increased caseload.
They say they're shocked and dismayed by the sanctions imposed upon the club, which includes fines of £160,000. Footballer Craig White has also been banned from Scottish football for life. In a statement on the club's website, the administrators said that a ban on signing players will seriously undermine the club's efforts to rebuild after being rendered insolvent, adding that White is solely responsible for the club's malpractice. Both Rangers and White have 3 days to appeal. Chelsea are a game away from the Champions League final. They're playing Wigan to the Nou Camp tonight, where they face the reigning European champions Barcelona. Didier Drogba scored the only goal in the first leg last week. He trained in Spain with the squad after missing the weekend's draw at Arsenal with a knee injury. Chelsea are the only British side left in European competition this season. And their temporary boss Roberto Di Matteo says they'll need to score in Spain to make it through to the final.
You do need on your way.
Well, you could
You
play.
do need a little bit of luck on your side to be able to win
Laura,
the
you're playing.
But certainly
Laura!
that we have at Chelsea and the players that we have, I think is very good. A very physical game, very defensive.
Oh, that will be fun to play.
We know how to play these games because we have a lot of experience. And it's always difficult when you play against players like Lampard, like Drogba, like all these kind of players that they have a lot of